Krishna. I would like to offer my gratitude to Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So I would like to offer my gratitude to all of the disciples of Srila Prabhupada and his followers for allowing me to be here today. Srila Prabhupada, in the beginning years of my Krishna consciousness, I always had this thought that I could not get your association, I could not learn from you, I could not see Prabhupada. But in the coming years, this thought was gone because I understood that what we could not learn directly from Prabhupada, or if I could not see Prabhupada directly, we are getting the same thing from his disciples. Prabhupada, you taught your disciples everything required to progress in devotional service, whether it is love for devotees, respect for Dham and the deities, or the gratitude. And I was just today remembering that how this love, this respect you taught, and how they still carry. That's what we see. We see Prabhupada, we see you through your disciples today. And I remember in the year 99, I was in Vrindavan, I was taking darshan of Krishna Balaram. And suddenly a very heavy hand came on my shoulders. It was Brahmananda Prabhu. I was little, my shoulder went down, he was very heavy. And I looked at him and he looked at me and he asked me, do you see Krishna? And for me, I was like confused. If I say no, then he said, why are you standing in front of Krishna Balaram? What are you doing? And if I say yes, and he may ask, oh, you see Krishna. But anyway, hesitatingly, I told him, yes, I see Krishna. And he told me, see, Brahmanand Prabhu, who has done wonderful service as a preacher, he told me, you're very fortunate that you see Krishna. I only see Prabhupada. He says, whenever I look here, I just see Prabhupada was standing here, Prabhupada was instructing us this, Prabhupada was here. And when I thought about it, then I thought what love they have for Prabhupada. That even now, they can only see Prabhupada. And that's how, Prabhupada, you taught how to love a devotee, which is definitely the perfection. Even I remember Vibhu Chaitanya Prabhu, who's a very sweet disciple of Srila Prabhupada. I went to meet him about 1 month before he left his body here in Vrindavan. And we were just talking. Now, Vibhu Chaitanya Prabhu has tirelessly served throughout his life. And he was telling me, while speaking to me, he said, Prabhupada liked my samosas. He used to make, all of you know, Vibhu Chaitanya Prabhu used to be in the kitchen all the time. So he said, Prabhupada used to like my samosas. And just by saying that, he remembered Prabhupada and there were tears in his eyes. I mean, these are the people who have served, who have given us what we have today in ISKCON, but see the love they have. When we talk of respect, I asked a question to Brahmananda Prabhu. That was the time when I was doing my Bhakti Shastri, and in Bhakti Shastri we read Nectar of Instruction, and Nectar of Instruction we read that you should take bath in Radha Kund as much as possible. Prabhupada writes in that. And we were confused because we had heard that you're not supposed to take bath in Radha Kund. So then I asked Brahmananda Prabhu, Prabhu, what is the real thing? Because everyone says like that. And he said, you have asked the correct person this question. And he said, what had happened was that when we came here and we went to Radha Kund, we were playing there cannonballs. Then he asked me, do you understand what is cannonball? I said, no. He said, we used to come running, hold our knees with our hand and jump into Radha Kund to make a splash. He said, that is what we were doing. And when we came back, Prabhupada was very angry and he said, you will go to hell because you have disrespected Radha Kund. So Prabhupada, you taught how to respect Dham, how to respect devotees, how to love devotees. And that is what we see, the gratitude which your disciples have. They are preaching all over the world, your instructions. your books are being distributed. So on this day, Srila Prabhupada, I just request that the love which you had for your spiritual master and the love your disciples have for you, somehow I'm not able to develop that love for all the devotees. So please bless me that I can have this love. And yesterday in the lecture we were hearing that Parjanya Maharaj was happy seeing the loving relationship between his sons. And I'm sure, Prabhupada, you will be happy to see that if we have the loving relationship with, all your children, if they have the loving relationship. So I pray today that please bless us so we can have this love, this gratitude, and this respect so we can progress in devotional service. Thank you very much.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.